Crush. To press so hard that something is damaged. The car crushed the bicycle. Don't crush the flowers. Puncture. To make a hole with something sharp. A nail punctured the tire. The thorn punctured my shoe. Chip. To break off a small piece. I chipped the cup. The paint chipped away. Dent. To make a hollow mark on a surface. He dented the car door. The box dented the can. Scratch. To make a small mark on a surface. The cat scratched the table. Be careful not to scratch the paint. Tear. To pull apart by force. She tore the paper. His jacket tore on the fence. Break. To separate into pieces. She broke the glass. Don't break the toy. Crack. To make a thin line or split. He cracked the screen. The ice cracked loudly. Smash. To break violently into pieces. Someone smashed the window. The vase smashed on the floor. Shatter. To break into many small pieces. The mirror shattered. The bottle shattered on impact. Squash. To flatten or crush something soft. He accidentally squashed the tomatoes in his bag. The heavy truck squashed the cardboard boxes. Bend. To force something out of shape. He bent the metal rod. The strong wind bent the tree. Warp. To twist or change shape. Heat warped the plastic. Moisture warped the wood. Burn. To damage with fire or heat. The fire burned the house. The sun burned my skin. Scorch. To burn slightly. The pan scorched the bread. The hot iron scorched the fabric. Crumple. To crush or fold into wrinkles. She crumpled the paper. The cars had crumpled in the crash. Mangle. To damage badly by twisting, crushing, or tearing. The machine mangled his jacket. The accident mangled the bicycle. Mutilate. To severely damage part of a body or object. The explosion mutilated the statue. The wild animal mutilated the fence. Scuff. To scratch or scrape the surface slightly. He scuffed his new shoes. The chair scuffed the wooden floor. Melt. To become liquid because of heat. The ice cream melted. The sun melted the ice. Corrode. To slowly destroy by chemical action. Salt corroded the metal. Acid can corrode pipes. Rust. To become damaged by oxidation. The bike rusted in the rain. The old gate rusted over time. Wear out. To become unusable through use. We wore out the carpet. The machine wore out quickly. Fray. To become worn at the edges. The rope frayed. His sleeves frayed after years. Split. To break into parts lengthwise. The log split in half. The pipe split during winter. Snap. To break suddenly. The branch snapped. The string snapped under pressure. Bruise. To injure without breaking the skin. He bruised his arm. She bruised her knee. Scar. To leave a permanent mark. The burn scarred his hand. The accident scarred her face. Stain. To leave a dirty mark. Juice stained the carpet. Oil stained his shirt.
This is the end of part 1. If you enjoyed this video, wait for the part 2.